student, good morning all of you. And we have discussed and explained the part 1 of your chapter Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. And I hope you got all the meanings what I have explained in previous video, and you also completed your task or the question which is given in the end of a first part. Now we shall discuss the second part of your chapter Vipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Student, at first we read the paragraph number 1. Bipin Babu's car was safely parked in Bertram Street by the Lighthouse Cinema. He told the driver as he got into the car, "Just drive by the Ganga. Will you, Sitaram?" Driving up the Strand Road, Bipin Babu regretted having paid so much attention to the intruder. He had never been to Ranchi, no question about it. It was inconceivable that he should forget such an incident which took place only 6 or 7 years ago. He had an excellent memory unless Bipin Babu's had drilled. Let's explain. Bipin Babu's car was safely parked in Bertram Street by the Lighthouse Cinema. As you know that Bipin Babu was on a shop to buy some books because he used to or he keen fond of reading books. So he was on that time on a book, and on that time his car was parked near the Lighthouse Cinema, which is situated in Bertram Street. He told the driver as he got into the car, and he told his driver that just drive by the Ganga. Will you, Sitaram? The name of his driver was Sitaram. He asked to Sitaram that, "Sitaram, will you drive the car toward the Ganga?" Driving up the Strand Road, Bipin Babu regretted having paid so much attention to the intruder. And Bipin Babu regretted that there is no need to give such attention toward that people who was a stranger. Here, intruder means stranger. That means stranger. He had never been to Ranchi and he fully convinced that he had never been to Ranchi. That means वो पूर्ण रूप से ये कन्विंस थे कि वो कभी रांची गए ही नहीं, एंड नो क्वेश्चन अबाउट इट, एंड रांची जाने का कोई प्रश्न ही नहीं उठता. देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन अबाउट इट. इट वॉज inconceivable that he should forget such an incident which took place only 6 or 7 years ago, and there is no doubt that he forgot the things which is recently or 6 or 7 years old. That is never, because he supposed about himself that he is a master of a good memory, and after that he forgot these things. It's never be possible. He had an excellent memory. He knew that he has a very good memory unless Bipin Babu's head reeled, and when he conversed or talking with that stranger, that intruder, his head became puzzled. He feels deeply shocked that how can I forget such an incident which is just happened just before 6 or 7 years ago. That cannot be possible. Now he was losing his mind, and he just think that he is just losing his mind because he was always thinking about that person, that what he was saying about the trip of Ranchi, and I had never been in Ranchi. And again this chatting or this conversation which is held between him and that stranger, that intruder, come again and again in his mind, and he become puzzled. But now he could that be? But how could that be? And he always think that how it could be that I went to the Ranchi and I forgot about all things. It can never be. He was working daily in his office, and also here the words, by the words he want to express that he has a good memory and how sincere and how beautiful person he was. He was working daily in his office. Further, he says that he was a hard worker and worked in an office. It was a big firm and it was not a very small firm, it was a big firm where he used to work. And so he wanted to express that his duty was also very serious and he was a responsible and he was also answerable toward the firm side, and he was doing a responsible job. He wasn't aware of anything ever going seriously wrong, and he never thinks that such things I will have to done that is very wrong. Only today, and he also said that recently, even today, he give an important speech on a meeting for half an hour. That means वो आपको बताने की कोशिश करते हैं कि उनकी बहुत अच्छी मेमोरी है और वो एक फॉर्म में बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबल पोस्ट पे वर्क करते हैं और वो कभी चीज़ें भूलते नहीं। यहाँ तक कि आज उन्होंने एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट मीटिंग में हाफ एन आवर की एक बहुत ही स्पीच दी। देन द पर्सन सेड अबाउट द रांची ट्रिप, हाउ कुड आई फॉरगेट दैट, because while we have a very good memory, and yet the man knew a great deal about him, how even seemed to know some intimate details, and yet even the man knew a great deal about him. But the main matter is that how the person who was talking about him, he knows a very close thing, very related things about the Bipin Chaudhary. Then how he could be so wrong? This is the matter. That means student, right, यहाँ बिपिन बाबू कहते हैं कि वो मेरे विषय में बहुत कुछ जानता है, मेरी पत्नी के विषय में जानता है, मेरे भाई के पागलपन के विषय में जानता है, इवन मुझे चोट लग गई है, मेरे राइट नी पे कट मार्क्स है, इसके विषय में जानता है। जो आदमी इतना क्लोजली मुझे जानता है वो भी गलत कैसे हो सकता है? देयर इज अ स्टेट ऑफ कन्फ्यूजन, देयर इज स्टेट ऑफ डिलेमा दैट he never agreed to think about himself that he going to be crazy, and neither he ready to or agree to suppose that the person who was talking with him or who saying about the Ranchi trip to him, he was wrong. So here the state of confusion, यहाँ पर एक confusion का state है। Even he seemed know something intimate details. That means वो हमारे बिल्कुल intimate details. Intimate details means related personal details. Intimate details here means related personal details. Intimate, that means personal. Personal details. Now the bag of books, that means the person knows the bags of books, wife death, brothers, insanity, that means madness. Insanity, that means here madness or the craziness. The only mistake was about his having gone to Ranchi, not a mistake, and he was just making a mistake about the Ranchi trip. It was not a mistake, just it is a lie which is said by deliberately. That means ये जानबूझकर वो झूठ बोल रहा था। वो रांची ट्रिप के विषय में मुझसे कोई भी वो रांची ट्रिप का कोई गलती नहीं कर रहा था, बल्कि वो जानबूझकर मुझसे झूठ बोला। Deliberately here means deliberately, that means जानबूझकर, knowing very clearly. In 15, during the pujas, he was in Kanpur at his friend Haridas Bakshi's place, and he also said that कि in 1958 he was in Puzaz and he stayed in Kanpur with his friend Haridas Bagchi. All Bipin Babu had to do was write to, and now he has just only one option to write to Haridas Bagchi to clarify the things that he had been in Ranchi ever or not. But it is not possible because there is no way of writing to Haridas. This is not possible to write Haridas because Bipin Babu suddenly remembered that Haridas had left his wife for Japan some week ago and he didn't have his address because Haridas Bagchi had left for Japan with his wife and Bipin Chaudhary had no any address about him or of him. But there was the need for proof. He himself was fully aware that he had been to Ranchi and that wasn't. But there is no need to take a proof to the man. He himself was fully aware that he had never been in Ranchi, and that was that. That means it's all clear that I had never been in Ranchi. But there is no need to give a proof to the man because the man was making deliberately lie. जानबूझकर झूठ बोल रहा था, वो जानबूझकर मुझे एज स्टेट ऑफ क्रेजी मुझे डिलेमा की स्टेट में डालने की कोशिश कर रहा था. सच थिंग्स कम इनटू द माइंड ऑफ Vipin Chaudhary. So student, let me stop today here and you all explain the things which I have explained and try to make the question between these paragraphs. This is a comprehension question or the extract based question because whenever I ask you a question, I will definitely try to ask some extract based question. So thank you.